Hey, quick question. Did you create an NFT on Saucery but realized you made a typo in the title? Or maybe you want to change the price? No problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to edit your artwork's title, description, and price using Saucery's Edit Artwork panel. And here's the best part. There are no transactions involved. It's completely free. Let's do it. All right, here's how to edit your NFT in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Go to Saucery and connect your wallet. Open Saucery.art in your browser. Click Connect Wallet in the top right. Approve the connection in Phantom. You're in. Step 2. Click on My Creations. Look at the top of the page. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select My Creations. This shows you every NFT you've created on Saucery. Step 3. Find the artwork you want to edit. You'll see all your creations displayed. Each one has buttons underneath. Find the artwork you want to edit and click the Edit button. Step 4. Update what you want to change. A panel will open. You can now edit the title, the description, and the price. Make your changes. Once you're happy, click Save Changes. That's it. Done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.